Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will go to this window here of Tinder and you can click. Then this list you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.